Hello and welcome. I'm Christian Clausen, a technical marketing engineer here at Cisco, and this is the first video in a series that we're calling Feature Spotlight. What I hope to create are very short, informative videos that identify and explain specific functions or configuration options in Cloud Mailbox. I'm going to try and keep these videos very short. This one might run a little bit longer than most. That's because I'm going to introduce the series by looking at perhaps the most important feature of Cloud Mailbox, and that is search and manual remediation. Let's imagine a scenario where an administrator receives a ticket in which a user has reported a phishing email. The email contains a link, and the admin confirms that it's a lookalike for a popular web service designed to steal the target's credentials. This particular administrator uses Microsoft Exchange Online Protection and does not have an email gateway installed. What does the admin want to know? What are the next steps that the admin wants to take? Well, to start with, I would want to know who else received the phishing link. I can use the sending address or domain, but the link is really what I care about because it could be part of a larger campaign originating from different senders, for example. Once I knew what other inboxes had received the link, I would really want to remove it as quickly as possible. As a Microsoft Exchange Online administrator, I would instinctively go to message trace to do this, but that tool is quite limited in that you can't search for a URL or any content that is within the message. The newest Microsoft tool for this job is Content Search, and that's located in the new Security and Compliance Center. But this tool is also inadequate for the time-sensitive investigation that our admin requires in this particular scenario. The search can take quite a long time, and the return results can be seemingly unrelated to the keyword that you use in the search, in this case our phishing URL. And what's more, the results are displayed as a report, with no immediate action available to the admin. That means that what we have to do is take those results, filter out the unrelated messages, and then find another way to remove the messages from the affected mailboxes. That usually means resorting to writing PowerShell scripts in order to connect to Azure, find the messages, and then move or delete them. Let's have a look at this workflow in Cloud Mailbox. From the home page, the admin can search for any number of things associated with their messages, including the phishing URL that was reported in the user's ticket. Within seconds, all of the messages containing the link are returned, and with a couple of clicks, the messages can be removed from all inboxes. With this feature, we help our customers save countless hours investigating and remediating email threats, and provide huge value, especially to those smaller security teams who deal with these sorts of scenarios every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you during our next Feature Spotlight.